Good morning everyone, welcome in this new video. So today this video is going to be divided in two blocks. The first block, this is a block which is in which I will show you several exercises to improve your mobility for your whole body. Okay, all the exercises I'm going to show you in this first block can and could become a routine for you. Okay, every day, every morning you can start with these exercises to increase your mobility. Okay, to reduce the pain in some part of your body, and also to increase the flexibility of and the softness of some muscles. Okay, so first exercises. I will ask you to put your knee here on the floor. Okay, try to sit here on your ankle. I will ask you to let your hands and your arms like this. Okay, you are going to turn your neck. We're going to start from the up and to the bottom, and we are going to finish to the bottom. You turn 2-3 times in one side, then 2-3 times in the other one. Okay, you are going to increase here the stretching. Okay, extend the arm in the opposite way of the stretching, and then you can help with the other hand to increase the stretching. Turn a little bit, and then you make the same with the other side and the other arm. Okay, you are going to make it 2 times each side. Take your time, you cannot feel pain. Okay, you can only feel your muscles which are stretching, which are extended, but you cannot feel pain. Okay? This is the most important thing of this first block. Okay, this was the first exercise. Now, all fours position. Okay, so you let here your hands below your shoulders and your knees below your hips. Okay, we are going to make the cat position. This is a very good exercise, okay, to make your body more flexible and also to increase the mobility of all your spine and all your vertebrae. Okay, so all the moves are going to start from the basin and finish till the end, till the head. Okay, so first exercises, I ask you to bend your back. Okay, you start from your basin. You contract your glutes. Okay, you are going to unroll your spine. Okay. When you change, okay, you put your head as high as possible. Maintain your shoulders just above the end. Try to contract your scapulas. Okay. And we do this. We start from the basin. We roll. Okay, you maintain your arms extended, and you come here to put your head between your arms. Okay, try to put to unroll the maximum you can your spine. Do it once again. Okay, we start from the basin. Okay, we unroll the spine, and we finish with the head which is like this. One last time. We start from the basin and we unroll vertebrae per vertebrae. We put here the head between the arms and we let our shoulder as low as possible. Okay. When you roll your back, try to exhale in the same time. The last time we unroll, we start from the basin and we finish. Take 2 seconds to rest. Same position. Now we are going to put our head, a bit further from the body. Okay, and try to come here to sit. Here, this is a very good exercise to stretch all the back muscles. You maintain the position during 5, 6, 10 seconds. You exhale in the same time, and then you come back. Let's do it again. Let's sit again on our ankle. You exhale when you go down. Maintain your back straight. Okay. Very good. If you can, try to raise a little bit your hands. Try to touch the floor with your pectorals to increase the stretching. And you come back. One last time. You exhale when you go down. Don't go too fast. Take your time. You have to listen to your body. You cannot feel any pain. Okay? try to contract your upper back, try to touch the floor with your pectorals. You cannot feel any pain in your back, and you come back. Take a few seconds to rest. Next exercise, we are going to make the same, but we are going to add a new exercise. The exercise we are going to do now is a very good exercise to increase the mobility of the upper vertebrae, the thoracic vertebrae. Okay, so the upper back. So we do the same. So the child position. Put all your body weight on your fingers, not on your hand, on your fingers. Okay. Maintain your arms and your back extended, and you will come here with your left. Try to put all your body, your left shoulder on the floor. Don't forget to breathe when you do this exercise. Okay, you can feel your upper body is turning, but you cannot feel any pain. Maintain a few seconds. You come to the first position and then you change. Don't forget to breathe. I remind you, this exercise is a very good exercise to increase your upper body mobility. If like me you're not so fun, okay, you can do it often to increase your flexibility. Let's do it again. When you do it again, try to go a bit further, okay, to increase the intensity of the exercise. Don't forget to breathe. Try to put here your shoulders on the floor, and you change. We are going to make three times each side. One last time each side. Take a few seconds, stretch to relax. Okay, next exercise. You start here on your glutes. Okay, I will ask you to put here to form one 90 degrees corner with your feet. Okay. So I will ask you to maintain the position. If it's not possible for you, you can put one hand on the floor, but try to stay as tall as possible. Maintain this position 2-3 times. Okay, this exercise is a very good exercise to increase the rotation in the hips. So this exercise and the exercise we'll do just after. Okay. So first we try to focus on the position, on the starting position, and then we are going to make some move with this exercise. So you maintain 2-3 seconds with this position, and then you will change. Okay, so 90 degrees here between both legs. Try to stay as tall as possible. If you are not so fun like me, you can do this exercise often, very often, and it will increase your mobility. But I remind you, if it's too difficult, you cannot feel any pain. Okay, take your time, make your body relax. Let's change once again. Okay, with this leg, I will ask you to put your hand and your arm extended in front of you, and I will ask you to go up, and when you go down, take your time. 5 times each side. Just before touching the floor with your glutes, try to go up. Okay, so you cannot sit on your yoga mat. 3, 4, last one, and 5. Okay. You see? And you change. We do the same now, but we change the front leg. Okay, so first pay attention to the position. relax, extend your arms here, and here we go. You can be dynamic when you go up, okay? When you go try to sit, take your time, okay? You can feel here your glutes, which is contracted, and just before the touching the floor, you raise. You exhale when you go up, inhale when you go down. 3, 4. Try to stay as tall as possible, okay? Imagine there is a wire between you, okay, and the upper here, okay? Okay, this wire maintain you tall, not like this, okay, tall. And you go down. One more time, we will change. So now we are going to focus on the hips, okay? So for the hips, for the one which are not stable, you can take 2. So I will show you first the exercise, the position you have to maintain. So I will ask you to go as fast, as low as possible when you do the squat position. So I will ask you to go in this position. For the one for who the position is a bit too difficult to maintain, okay, you can put either 2 little books between your heels, or you can also decide to put a towel if you don't have any book in your room. So I will do it with 2 books. It's gonna be easier. Okay, so what I will ask you to do. So this is to maintain the position. Okay, to go as low as possible, to maintain the position. Okay, to make your hip articulation a bit stable, a bit more flexible. Maintain the position. Try to move a little bit from the left to the right. Try to stay tall. And you go up. You are going to go down once again. Here we go. This time I will ask you to go in front of you. Try to touch the floor 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, and you stop. You go up once again. We are going to make this one once again. Here we go. Let's go. 1. You go up. 2. You go in front of you and then you straighten up. 3, 4. You bend and then you straighten up. Last one. 5. Okay. Next exercise. Once again in the same position, in the squat position, but you try to go a bit less low. Okay. I will ask you to maintain your basin at the same position as your knees. Okay. You maintain this position. You turn a little bit. The goal of the exercise is to make your hip articulation a bit more supple, and also to to stretch your adductors. Okay, so I will ask you to put your elbows here on your knees, and you will push. Okay, to try to extend and to make them a bit more flexible. You can push with your arms or with your elbows. You maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you stop. We are going to make it once again. Here we go. Maintain a few seconds. Try to move. Push with your elbow or forearms. You can decide. And you press. Okay. Next exercise. Once again, the squat position. You start from the squat position. So you go here, you go as low as possible. You can put your arms here and your hands on the floor. I will ask you to extend one leg. Maintain a few seconds. Then you change. You can feel here, this muscle, your adductors, is going to be stretched. You cannot feel any pain. You have to feel your muscles are extended, are stretching. Okay, and now you are going to go from the left to the right. Don't go too fast, okay? Take your time. Don't stay too long. Don't maintain too long this position. Relax. For people like me which are not flexible, this is very interesting to make this exercise. The first time I started to work on my mobility, my body mobility, these exercises was not, they were very difficult to realize. Now it's still not very easy, but I'm improving and it's becoming easier and easier. So I enhance you to make it very often okay, to increase your body mobility and to decrease the pain overall and to stay in a healthy body. Okay, this is the goal of this exercise. For the last exercise, I will ask you to take the chair. Okay, this is the last mobility exercise for the mobility. So I will ask you. Okay, you will bend your upper body. Okay, you will grab here with your right hand your left ankle. Okay, I will ask you to raise your left hand as high as possible. In the same time, you turn your upper body. This is a very good exercise to increase the mobility in the hips, but surely for the upper vertebrae, the thoracic, and the vertebrae of your back. Okay, this is very interesting as exercise to increase your mobility. We're going to make it 5 times on the left, and then we'll finish with 5 times on the right. Exhale when you go up. Inhale when you go down. Last time. And you change. So you grab your right ankle with the left hand. Okay, and we are going to make this. Okay, rotation. So the upper spine rotation exercise is very interesting, but you have to take your time and do it easily. Exhale when you go up. Try to go as high as possible. Last time. Oh. So this is finished for this first block. Second block of the session. For the second block of the session, you just need 2 buttons. If you don't have any 2 buttons, you can take 2 shoes or you can take 2 heavy objects. Okay. So the first, I will show you fast the 6 exercises, and then we are going to make it on the timer. Okay. First lap, we are going to work 20 seconds, and we will have 20 seconds to rest. 6 exercises. I show you, then we start. Okay. First one, squat. And then you raise. Squat, you raise. Okay, this is the first one. Second one, you stay on the same, you stay stable. Okay, you box 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Okay, every time boxing. Okay, for the arms. Next exercise. Try to maintain the chair position. Okay, like this. So you maintain your back against a wall, and I will ask you. Okay, curl plus leg, plus arms extension overhead. Okay, that 20 seconds. Then for the back, here, like this. You start here, you finish here. You start here, you finish here. I will ask you not digging your back or not digging your back. So like this, you don't have. You have to contract every time your abs. Okay, like this, like this, like this, like this. Then. Next exercise, lunge position. Okay, here I will ask you to raise the bottom. Okay, like this. And the last one, you lie on your back. Okay, every time you will extend one leg, you touch, 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 you touch. This is forbidden to dig your back. So like that, you have. If you don't want to dig your back, you have to contract your abs. Okay, so let's start. 1, here we go. I touch, I raise. I touch, I raise. I touch, I raise. My back is every time straight. I push my glutes behind. I maintain my heels in the floor. And here we go. We wait for the timer. Here we go. Next exercise. This is boxing. Okay, I stop. Next exercise, sorry, I remind you, boxing. In front of you, 4 times, up, 4 times, in front of you, 4 times, down, 4 times, contract. Okay, and you try to go as fast as possible. 1, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 4, exercise, the chair against the wall. Okay, and in the same time I will raise, sorry, first curl and then overhead press. Here we go, curl, overhead press, and then I go down. Okay, in the same time you will feel here your legs which are contracted and the muscle will be painful. Not painful, but burning. This is the good word. Okay. And you keep moving, keep moving. Okay, we stop. Take a few seconds to rest. Okay, now the back. Here we go. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Okay. Let's go. Come on. Here, for the first lap, I put 20 seconds to rest. Okay? Because I don't know your level. And maybe this is good to start with a lot of rest. Like that, you can stay focused for the next exercises to do them properly. Okay? I will ask you to go as fast as possible, but in the same time, I will ask you to focus on the good positioning. Okay? I don't want you to feel pain or to put your back on your hips, on your knees in a wrong way. Okay? Next one, lunge positioning, and then I raise. I raise. I raise. I maintain the position, I maintain my back straight, and then I go till the height of my shoulders. I don't need to go that high. This is not the goal of this exercise. Like this. Come on. Okay, we stop. Next time we will put our right foot ahead because we started with the left one. Next one, I lie on my back. This is the last exercise. Here I show you again, touch, 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 and touch. Here we go. Let's go. Touch. Exercise which involve the arms, pectorals, but also and surely abdominals. Here we go. Contract your abs. You cannot dig your back. This is forbidden. Here we go. You will feel it in the shoulders also. And you stop. Okay, good. Okay, get ready. We start in 25 seconds. Okay, we do the same 6 exercises, but we do them a bit longer and we have a bit less time to rest. Get ready. If the rest time is too short, feel free. Don't hesitate to put a break in the video, and then you start when you're ready. Okay, so we do the same exercises. You do them with me. Okay, get ready. Here we go. I touch, I extend. I touch, I extend. Try to be dynamic. Good. Alright, let's go. This exercise is very interesting because it involves a lot of muscles in the legs, glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, but also exercises, abdominals, and also here shoulders and the triceps. Okay, so this is a very complete exercises. I try to do it as fast as possible. Here we go. Let's go. And you stop. Okay, now the second set. Okay, we are warm. The first set, the goal of the first set was to warm up the body. Now the body is ready. We can go a bit faster. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Here we go. Never stop moving your arms. If it's too heavy with the bottles, you can do it without the bottles. Here we go. The goal of this exercise is to stay dynamic. Here we go. Good. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Come on. Keep moving, keep moving. And you stop. Next one, the chair. Pay attention. It will last 10 seconds more. So you will feel it in your legs. Okay, so the chair plus tack, 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 tack. Get ready. Here we go. And you push. And we push. And we push. If you don't have any timer, you just have to put the sound on the video and you can listen to the video. I will try to stay mute. when the 30 seconds I finish, like that you can listen the sound. Alright, let's go. Overhead press, the curl, and then you go down. And in the same time, and you stop. In the same time, you maintain the positioning. Okay, next one, exercise for the back. So you maintain your back straight. Okay. You touch in front of you. You bring the bottle till your glutes. Maintain your back straight. Don't dick your back. Contract your abs. Here we go. Once again, if it's too heavy for your back, okay, for your muscle, you can do it without the bottle. Or you can do it with one bottle, sorry. And you change every time the hand. If it's too heavy, if it's not too heavy, you maintain 2 bottles. Maintain your back straight. Put your glutes behind. Okay. Okay, now we are going to make the lunge position, and then we will raise the hands, the bottom, by maintaining the arms extended. Here we go. Let's go. You can go fast when you go up. Don't take your time sorry when you go down. Very excellent. Don't go too fast. Excellent. Come on. Aye. This is the 4 last exercise. After this one, it remains one last exercise. And then we will make a third time the 3 exercises. Get ready. You will raise one leg. Okay, every time you bend the other leg, okay. One leg is extended, the other one is bent. Good. You maintain. Don't dick your back. Contract your abs. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. You maintain. Till the end. 5 seconds. And you stop. Okay. Last set. More. Here we go. Alright, touch and you raise. Okay, touch and you extend your arms. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, let's go. Come on. Push your glutes behind, maintain your back straight. And now you have to maintain the exercise during 40 seconds. Alright, good. Alright, come on. Never stop moving. Never stop moving. Alright, let's go. Good. Okay, okay. And you stop. So you keep your bottle in your hand and you start to box. In front, up, in front, down. Every time 6 times your arms extended. Here we go. Here we go, you maintain. And if you can, you accelerate, you go faster. Speed up, speed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Dynamic, dynamic. You maintain, you maintain. And you stop. Next one, it remains 4 exercises. Next one, the chairs plus the curl and the arms, and you extend your arms. Sorry. Take a few seconds to rest. And here we go. Let's go. Now let's go for 40 seconds. So these exercises are very interesting exercises to shape your body. Okay, also to strengthen all the muscles. Okay, this is not possible to focus on all muscles, but we try to work both lower and upper part of the body. Okay, the focus was still on the upper body. Okay, but next week, as I told you, I'm going to make exercises for the lower body. And you stop. 15 seconds to rest. Okay, next one, the back. Here we go. Open, close, open, close, open, close. Here we go. Ah, let's go. Ah, let's go. You maintain. Ah, come on. Here we go. Till the end. Okay, after this one, it remains only 2 exercises. Here we go. And I feel my upper back, which is the muscle of my upper back which are involved. Good. Maintain your arms straight. Good. Extend it till the end. 4, 3, 2, 1. I stop. For the last one, I will maintain the position with the left foot ahead. 20 seconds, and after 20 seconds, I will change. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Let's go. Alright, come on. 30 seconds. You maintain. 3, 2, 1, I change. Directly I do the same exercise, but with the other foot ahead. In front, forward. Alright, come on, 12 seconds. 10 seconds to go. Good. Come on. And you stop. Last exercise, you lie on your back, you will bend one leg and extend the other one. Okay? You clap the bottle between the below, sorry, the leg which is bent. Here we go. Alright, come on, let's go, you maintain. Last 15 seconds of the session. Here we go, till the end. And you stop. Very good. Okay. That's it for this 6th session. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this session. Okay, if possible, try to remember the exercises we start with today. Okay, exercises which improve and the mobility, the body mobility. If you have pain, if you feel pain in your back, okay, so maintain these exercises in your corner of your head. And we'll meet next week for new exercises. If you have any question, feel free. You will find all my information in the video. You can also comment on and like this video. And if you have any question, any advice, feel free. You can text me. I wish you a very good weekend, and we'll see next week. Thank you.